Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, it's an air fryer and pressure cooker that you can use to obviously air fry stuff or pressure cook your food, soup, or whatever the case may be. That's up to you guys. And you guys can see it's by a brand called Michelangelo. And I actually really wanted one of these for a really long time. So I decided to give this a try and see how it works and when it actually works and how well it performs and whatnot. So let's actually open up and show you guys what comes out the package first. So the packaging and everything is actually really heavy, so I won't be able to carry it to show you guys the whole entire box, but I'll take each part out to show you guys what comes out the package. So first thing you guys kind of see is that this part right here, that's for the protection of the device itself. They provide you a cable, so this is the cable that they use to activate the product. So you plug this onto the wall, and then this part will be plugged onto the actual product itself. They provide you some user manual, a user guide on how to set up product and how to use it. And they also provide you a little cookbook, so you guys can get like instructions on how to do certain recipes and whatnot is all in here. Then here we have the actual product itself right here. Before I show you guys the product itself, let me actually show you guys what else comes out the package itself first. So on the very bottom of the package, you can see that they provide you this little cover right here, and you can see that this is the air fryer, because you guys can see how it's kind of designed. You can fry your stuff and whatnot. And then the other cover that's already on the product itself is for the pressure cooker. It has a handle on both sides right here and on the other side as well. So all you have to do is kind of just close it back in place like that, lock it, and then you can start air frying stuff. Or if you guys want to do the pressure cooker, just change it to the other lid itself. Alright, so here we have the product itself right here. You guys can see that there's a logo right here, Michelangelo. You guys can see right here, there's an arrow that's pointing lock and then unlock. So basically all you guys kind of have to do for the pressure cooker to unlock it is press the button on the top part right here. There's a little button right here, so you want to press it and then turn it, and then you can unlock it like that. Now let's take a look at the inside. You guys can see that in the inside they provide you some accessory, which is for either roasting the product, or you guys want to fry stuff. You guys can use it for both scenarios. So this is the one that you guys would probably want to use for roasting your stuff, and then here's the one that you guys would probably want to use for frying your stuff. But definitely one thing that I kind of noticed when you guys get the product is the fact that it doesn't have any kind of like cushion or whatever for the interior of the frying accessory. The frying part right here might keep flying around, so like something like this, and it probably starts scratching your product, because when I got this product, I definitely see that there's a few scratches already on the interior. Like, let me show you guys what I mean. So if you guys can look in the interior right here, there is a few scratches if you guys look really carefully. Like there's scratches right there, there's scratches right there, and then the bottom part is kind of scratched as well. Not sure if this is used or not, but hopefully it's not used. I'll most likely contact Amazon to send me a new one or something, because you guys can clearly see that there's scratches on here. If we take a look right here, you can see this is where you guys would plug in the cable itself that they provide you to activate it. And then if you guys look at the bottom, this is basically what it looks like. Really nicely made. Has the anti-slip material throughout the product, so it won't be moving when you guys are using the product when not. But the only way to find out when it actually works and how well it works is to actually go test it out. So let me actually go test it out first, and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so here we have the product. We're gonna turn it on. So basically, once you guys plug it in, just press this power button. You guys can see the screen right here. So it has the numbers here. You guys can do the slow cook, keep warm, pressure cook. You guys can cook rice on here. You guys can have a delay option right here. You guys can do the pressure level. You guys can do cook yogurt. You guys can control like the different settings on here. So basically how it knows like which one you guys are using is based on the lid. So right now we have the pressure cooker lid on. If we change it to the air fryer, it actually would know that it's an air fryer, and it'll actually give you the air frying option on here. So let me actually put on the air fryer one and show you guys what I mean. Alright, so now we have the air fryer one on, and if we turn it on, you guys can see that this is what happens. So everything completely changes. So you use the fry option here. Not sure what this one is. There's a fried chicken, burgers, fish, meat, and then there's another, I guess, whole chicken. So you guys have a lot of different options on here, which is pretty nice. And it's really cool how it can like change the option of like when you guys are doing pressure cooking versus doing a air frying option. You guys saw the whole entire option, everything just changed. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the test of the product. You guys can see it actually works really well, really easy to use. They have all the instructions for you guys in the user manual and the recipe, or like even online when you guys purchase product, they do have the instruction to let you guys know what you guys can or cannot do for each one of the lids and the accessory that they provide you. But honestly, I think it's pretty amazing of what you guys get out of this product, like the fact of how you guys can get both the air frying option or the pressure cooking option on here, so you guys don't have to buy 2 devices, you just need to buy one that can do both. Oh, and also some of the things that they actually provide you in here is like a measuring cup and a spoon, but for some reason this one didn't come with it, so I'll probably have to like wait for the replacement to come and see what happened. Maybe they sent me a used one by accident or something, but hopefully I get a correct one where it's not used, not damaged and everything, but we'll see what happens when the replacement one comes. But as a first hand perspective of this product, would I say that this is actually worth it or not based off the test and unboxing experience of the product? So far I have to say that it's quite worth it. I wouldn't say it's fully worth it because of the stuff that I saw on the product, like how the scratches or dent inside the product itself looks kind of used, and also the fact that it didn't come with a spoon or measuring cup when I opened the product and whatnot. So I'll definitely do like an update video later on when I get the replacement and kind of use it a little bit more, and then show you guys how to use it and what you guys can actually use it for or whatnot. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's much it for the unboxing, testing, and feedback for the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and just want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have